Welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series, which will be uploaded regularly weekly on Thursday and Friday. In today's video, you'll learn how to use the tabs element on your PageFly page. The tabs element is designed to present content in separate tabs. You can use the tabs element to show various elements as the tab's content, either independently for each tab or together in one tab. Here we are in the PageFly page editor. You can find the tabs element in the standard elements of the catalog, on the left of the PageFly editor. There are 4 button variants, choose one for them and then drag and drop on page canvas. Now head over to the General tab. In the tab items, you can add new tabs to the element. You can duplicate or delete the item. You can change the order of the tabs items by moving like this. Scroll down to default active item option, you can choose one of the tabs to make it to be seen first, when seeing on the live page. There are 4 positions for you to choose for the header here, such as left, right, top, and bottom. If you want the menu to be full width, then turn on the Set Menu Full Width option. Turn off this option, so you can have 3 horizontal alignments for the header, left, right and center. Click the tab header inside the tab element to style for it. Go to the General tab. You can change the name of the tab header in the button text box. If you want to show an icon for the tab header, you need to enable the Show Icon option. And to change the icon, you need to click on it. Go to General tab and change here. And adjust icon position here. The last option is the anchor text, where you can input the anchor text for the tab header. Switch to the Styling tab. There are 3 states of the tab header for you to choose: normal, hover and selected. Now choose the normal state. Scroll down to the typography parameter, choose the Lato font, and increase the font size to 20 pixels. We also choose bold style for the text. Now switch to the hover state. We will choose green color for the background. If you want the second and third headers to have a same style with the first one, you can copy the style of the first, and paste the style for others like this. Now click the tab content, you can drag and drop elements inside it. I will drag and drop the heading element inside the tag header 1. Click on the tab header 2 to open the tab content. I will drag and drop 3 column layout. And add an image inside each of them. And on the last tab header, I will add a HTML video. Now click Publish. And Live View. To see how it works. This is the end of the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful future content. Don't forget to leave us any questions in the comments section below, or reach us via our 24/7 in-app live chat for further assistance. To learn more about PageFly, check out other video tutorials and visit our help center. Thank you for watching. See you next time.